Hello and welcome again in our second day of SAP plant maintenance training. So today we will see the organizational structure of SAP plant maintenance. The topic we are going to cover is what is organizational structure and what are the different components of organizational structure, what is maintenance plant and what is maintenance planning plant, what is centralized and what is the decentralized maintenance planning, what is the work center in SAP plant maintenance, and finally we will see the configuration of organizational structure in the SAP server. So let us take an example of one company called Toyota. Toyota have their subsidiaries in different countries like Toyota USA, Toyota India, and Toyota in European countries. Let us suppose this Toyota India have their production unit in the different cities. One unit in Ludhiana. There is another unit in the Ludhiana and one unit in the Pune city. So these are the three units under the Toyota India company. Let us suppose this unit 1 is also subdivided according to the functional criteria like press shop and the paint shop. Our equipment are installed here in the production unit. Let us suppose in the Ludhiana unit 1, whenever any maintenance activity required here, the unit 2 always perform the maintenance activity in the unit 1. Their workshop, electrical or mechanical workshop, perform the maintenance activity in unit 2 as well as in unit 1. And these activities are planned by the planner. So this one is the typical structure of a enterprise. If we map this structure in SAP, it called organizational structure. So an organizational structure is the structure that represent a enterprise in the SAP system. You see the Toyota, it represent a corporate group and it is the highest level element of all the org unit is called client. So client is the highest level element for all the org unit and it usually represent a corporate group. These are the subsidiaries, have their own financial statement and balance sheet are called company code, and these are the production unit. Ludhiana 1, Ludhiana 2 and Pune unit, these are the production unit is called plant. It can also be represent a storage unit in the material management. Our equipment are installed here in this unit here and here. So these plant are also called maintenance plant. The maintenance plant is the plant where equipment are installed. But you see, whenever any maintenance activity required in the unit 1, it always be performed by the workshop of unit 2. So this unit is called planning plant. The unit 2 and the Pune unit is called planning plant. They have their own workshop or technicians or their own planner who plan the maintenance activity. So planning always happened in the maintenance planning plant and always performed on maintenance plant. This maintenance plan is also subdivided according to the functional criteria like press shop and paint shop is called locations. And in the workshop there could be a machine or group of machine or a person or group of person. It is called work center, and the activity that are planned and performed in the maintenance plant are planned by the planner. These are the planner. So let us see these term: client, company code, maintenance plant, maintenance planning plant, all in one by one. So what is organizational structure? A organizational structure is the structure that represent a organization or a enterprise or a company in the SAP system. Client is the highest level element for all org unit, and usually it represent a corporate group, and within the client system always share same database. It access same database. Company code. The company code, it is a subsidiaries with their own financial statements and the balance sheet are called company code. And plant usually represent a production unit, and it can be represent a storage unit in the material management. And now come on the maintenance plant. So maintenance plant is the plant where our operational system like equipment or functional location are installed is called maintenance plant. The maintenance plant can be subdivided according to the functional criteria like press soap, paint soap, etc. The maintenance plant can also be subdivided into the plant section based on the responsibility of the production. The next one is the maintenance planning plant. The maintenance planning plant is the plant where maintenance activity are planned. Maintenance activity always planned in the maintenance planning plant and perform on the maintenance plant. These requirements can either come from their own plant or from other plant assigned to this maintenance planning plant. So in our example, the Ludhiana Unit 1 is the maintenance plant and the Ludhiana 2 is the maintenance planning plant who perform the maintenance activity for both Unit 2 as well as Unit 1. And these activities are planned by planner. These planner are called planner group. The maintenance plant and the maintenance planning plant would be same or different. It depends on the business process. And finally, the work center. A work center is a org unit where you perform the maintenance activity or where the manufacturing is happened. In the SAP plant maintenance, it is nothing but the group of technician or expert, those who physically carried out the maintenance activity.